New at 6, a soldier from Pawtucket is killed in a car crash while on leave from Afghanistan. Governor Chafee has ordered all U.S. and Rhode Island flags lowered to half-staff until Army Specialist Christopher Mendoza is laid to rest. The Pinpoint News Tracker takes you to the scene of the crash in Binghamton, New York. Eyewitness News reporter Marilyn Scherer spoke with the soldier's parents. She joins us now live in Pawtucket.
We just spoke with the family of this young soldier, and I have to tell you, we were very impressed with the composure they have during this very difficult time. They are grieving their loss with dignity, love, and respect. The family of U.S. Army Specialist Christopher Mendoza is in mourning after the 20-year-old soldier died Sunday, December 4th, in a car accident while home on leave from Afghanistan.
Of course, I'm proud of him, but a loss is a loss. And I'm going to miss him for my whole life.
Mendoza, a native of Pawtucket, moved to Holbrook, Mass. In his teens and graduated from high school there. His mother, father, and brother spoke with Eyewitness News late Friday about Mendoza's passion for dance, his dedication to volunteerism, and how he met his young wife of 7 months at a soup kitchen, and his decision to enlist in the Army.
I just hope for people to remember that he served his country, and that's the only thing. He loved his country so much. And since September 11 happened, he would talk a lot about it. And when he enlisted, he told me that, I had to do it.
Governor Chafee ordered flags flown at half-staff for Mendoza, who received numerous military medals and honors. Mendoza celebrated Thanksgiving with his family before he died in a car crash en route to the airport to return to Afghanistan.
When you prayed for him, if you prayed for him like me, I prayed for him every day that was there, morning and night. So you would think that that possibility that he goes out would be in Afghanistan, not when he came back, and it was the day he was gone.
And as you can see, the flag outside Pawtucket City Hall has been lowered. Pawtucket Mayor Donald Grebian issued a statement saying, "I am deeply saddened by the untimely passing of a city son and a soldier whose much too brief life held so much promise." Grebian says it takes a special person to serve 2 active duty tours in Afghanistan, and our hearts go out to him and his family. Mendoza's burial with full military honors will take place this Monday at 11 a.m. in Pawtucket. Reporting live with the Blackstone Valley Mobile Newsroom, Marilyn Scherer, Eyewitness News.